Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Stuart and today I have the pleasure of bringing to you this timeless Vanquish Coupe. This car is a 2025 on a 25 plate covering 6,801 miles. We wanted to run you through, the specification of this car, but also we've done a pretty good job on new Vanquish, but also our demos have never really needed to hit the market. We've actually gone out and bought this car specifically as a used vehicle for our forecourt. So the highlights of this vehicle: this car is finished in aluminite silver and has the carbon fibre gloss lower body package. So we'll run you through those as we go around the vehicle. So let's take a look at the front of the car. We know Vanquish, we've done a few videos on Vanquish about the technical walk around, so a lot of people will probably already know where Vanquish sits in the marketplace for Aston Martin and also in the model range. So you can see here at the lower bottom we've got the carbon fibre lower body package, but we have the gloss black vents on the bonnet here. We also have a gloss black front grille and the standard enamel badging on the front of the vehicle. Now Vanquish, there's a lot of ways that you can option the car with gloss and satin finish carbon fibres. So moving down the side of the vehicle, we have the satin black finish rims with the gold brake calipers behind, and then we have the carbon fibre side strake in the side of the vehicle. So these were individual bits that you could change on an early Vanquish when you were specifying. We also have the accessory carbon fibre mirror caps. So this has the gloss black upper package, but with the accessory added carbon mirror cap. The inlay in and around the carbon fibre on the side straight here is in gloss black because that is all part of the upper package. Your window surround is in gloss black. We have the factory privacy glass, and then moving you around to the rear of the vehicle, we also have, and you can see here, the chrome script badging on the rear of the vehicle. The rear shield is finished in body colour. Again, there was a lot of different choices on those. You could have gloss black, you could have a contrast colour, or you could have carbon fibre in either gloss or satin, but this one has been done in match to body colour. I think it does really work well on the back of Vanquish, particularly in a lighter colour, and then you get that sort of darker exterior around the outside with the light fingers in the side. And then we have the tail tips finished in the matte black finish. Again, there's a few different choices on those, but this is this particular car. And you can see that carbon fibre rear diffuser and rear bumper insert on the rear. Moving you down the driver's side of the car, we have panoramic roof on this vehicle again. So pan roof was an option. I'm pretty sure it's a standard option for Vanquish, but you can have the pan roof on here. I think this does work really well on this vehicle. Again, you've got glass at the front, across the top, and then down the back, so you have that nice dark finish from the bird's eye view. Technology wise on Vanquish, the same as what you see across DB12 Vantage and DBX 707 and S. Vanquish has all the same technology features on the outside, but also on the inside. Let's take you through on some of the interior choices. So welcome to the interior of this Vanquish. So we have an inspired duo interior. So the two main colours that we have on the inside, we have the onyx black as your primary colour, and then we have copper tan metallic as your contrasting colour. Now that will probably go with the bronze calipers that's on the outside. And then we just have a contrast stitch. So there's two ways you can stitch the interior of these, either with a contrast or with a mirrored. This has just got the contrast, so you can see here the welting and the stitching and your headrest logo are all finished in the copper tan metallic, but you don't see any black stitching on the tan as the flip-flop goes with the mirrored interior. Standard features like your Barrow and Wilkins we have in here. Because you've got the Inspire interior, you then have the 16-way adjustable seats with heated and cooled settings. One thing that's worth knowing about Vanquish, and you probably can't really see this from the online information, Vanquish was launched as a two-seat super GT car really. Obviously compared to DB12 there is a lot more leg space inside the vehicle. That will change as of this year when Vanquish will be coming through as a 2+2 as an optional extra. For me personally, I think if I was looking to buy a Vanquish, I'd probably have a two-seat car, just because you get a lot more space in the cabin for the driver and the passenger. because you can move the seats right up against the back of the bulkhead, and by having that slightly longer wheelbase you do have that bigger cabin inside. So we also have your usual technology features that you would find across our range. So Vanquish comes with CarPlay Ultra as standard. We have radar guided cruise control. We have all your lane assist functions that you can turn off if you wish to. As I mentioned, we have Barron Wilkins, and then the interior jewellery package on this car is a combination of the darker jewellery package on your dials and switches and also on your paddles, and then the interior trim pack is the dark brushed aluminium that you'd find on the doors here and also on the centerpiece. So Vanquish is made up slightly differently with your interior trims. You buy it as a package and have it fitted. On the inside of the dash, this has got the leather central piece across here with the carbon fibre waterfall to house your screen on the inside. All finished off inside with your leather headlining in and around your panoramic roof, dark carpet with a heavy pile floor mat. But if you want further details of this vehicle, do give us a call here at the showroom or visit our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.